Hey everybody, so I'm in the garage and I'm gonna go to the 240 and try to take the headlights off and try to figure out the issue with the lighting. Basically, so the wiring's all messed up and the headlights are kind of fogged up, so I'm gonna fix that today. So I don't know if you can tell or not, but it's raining, which is good because it's melting all the snow. I just took the hood off, and here's my hood prop for now. So yeah, I have everything propped up. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, that doesn't seem like it's connected. That could be the problem with the headlight. It doesn't have a bulb in it. This side looks like it has some weird wiring. And then there's like this green wire, and also this radiator. It has that mount, but it doesn't have this mount. Also, the intercooler piping right here looks kind of shoddy. And then I have to fix the PCV. This is an MAF setup. It doesn't have an MAP, so what I have to do is reroute this to the intake, or else it's gonna be running. This is gonna be a vacuum leak basically. Most people just run the PCV to the air, to the atmosphere, but they don't realize that if you have an MAF, you have to reroute the air, because the air on the valve cover, the blow by or whatever, the blow by or the crankcase pressure is already accounted for by the MAF, so that's adding fuel, or it's adding fuel for that setup. So it's gonna run. It's not gonna run perfect, basically. So I just took the corners off. It's just one bolt right here. Headlight off. It's 2 bolts here and 2 nuts here, and it comes out pretty easily after you disconnect the wiring. So I was looking around the interior and I found this SpongeBob plush toy or stuffed thingy. That is kind of funny. So I also found something really funny. I don't know if you can see that, but that's the main battery ground cable, and it's connected to a really thin piece of metal. So that could explain why the car sometimes wants to die and the battery light comes on. Also, the battery terminals are loose. New indicator bulb. Also, I'm probably gonna move the battery box from here to here and do a proper, or at least move the positive wire and make it look nice. And then the red one is, then the black, the ground cable as well. I'm gonna shorten the ground cable too. It's too long. Yeah, that's it. So I just brought the headlights home, and I'm just gonna give them a wipe with a wet wipe, I guess, and just clean them up. And then I'm gonna start wet sanding it. So I just came home and got some new parts. This came in. So this is the center console, or the bezel, the radio delete panel, basically. I got I could have 3D printed it myself, but I don't have a heated bed for my MakerBot, and I don't think you can make one or get one because MakerBot is shit. So yeah, it's pretty nice quality. I just have to like sand it and maybe paint it. And also wait a second, the corners came in, the bumper. It's really hard doing one-handed. The bumper corners came in. I think these are the phase 2 ones, and they also have some bulb inside. So yeah, I'll put those on. I don't think I'll put the bumper lights on this bumper, but I'll be putting this on soon. So I don't know if you can tell, but this part I buffed and this part I didn't. It's coming out really good. So I'll sand it. This one was pretty dirty, so I had to sand for a while. More than this, I guess. And hopefully, now I'm just gonna buff it and see how it looks. Okay, so it's the next day, and we got the car to our local tire shop. They're actually pretty good. It's called Intrac Tires in Jamaica Avenue in New York City, and well, the car has pretty bad suspension setup, so we needed to bring it in to get an alignment. And what I actually noticed, the service tech actually came and told me that my car has been in an accident where the front subframe, the front tire, the tension rod is moved back like So as you guys can see in this video, the front I think you could say it's the subframe. The whole thing is it's not that bad. It's not the strut towers, but it's just before the strut towers. So it's the tension rod. They suggested we get some adjustable arms or actually get the frame straightened. So what he did was he tried to fix it as good as he could and as straight as possible. But he did suggest that we get it straightened or we get just some adjustment.
Alright. Yeah. So everything has to go all the way on top. Like that. Lock, right? Your whole strut, you look, smooth.
It's not like this is the strut itself or Our plan is to, take it to a frame shop, like a body shop, and either see how much they quote me to get it straightened. If it's way too much, I'll just settle for a whole new suspension setup that's completely adjustable, so the alignment guys can actually fix the issue. Also, the coilovers are kind of... the coilovers, yeah, they're actually eBay special, like really crappy. So I suggest you guys never get eBay coilovers. Also, the wheel was hitting one of the coilovers. So we had to add spacers. They charge us $90, including the spacers for an alignment, which isn't too bad. But once we get the frame fixed, we're gonna have to take this car back in, and it drives very straight. And one other thing I noticed on my way back is that this car, the tires in the car are completely garbage. It's like absolutely no grip. Last night I hit the boost, and the wheels were just spinning like 30-40 miles an hour. So that's all for today, I guess. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll be uploading another video soon. If you want to keep up with it, definitely subscribe to our channel, and that'll be all. Thank you very much for watching.